What's up, y'all? Today's video is a quick unboxing for the Dyson Supersonic wide tooth comb attachment. If you guys can recall, when the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer came out years ago, it came with a concentration nozzle, a diffuser, and a rubber mat, if I'm not mistaken. This hair dryer came out in 2016 and I got mine in 2018. It did not, however, come with the wide tooth comb. Dyson released the comb attachment in 2020, so to get my hands on one, I went online. It's fairly easy to navigate. You can use Dyson.com or BestBuy.com. Once I finally placed my order, I stalked my front door using my Ring camera because I want to make sure no one takes my package, and boom, it's finally here, y'all. Okay guys, so I've been using my Supersonic for years without the comb attachment, until now of course. I was using my old blow dryer with a universal comb attachment that you can find at any local beauty supply store. And lately I've been using my Rev Air blow dryer, as you guys know. So I know I've been doing myself a disservice, but I'm definitely gonna do better now. So it's not much to the package when you receive it. It's just the comb attachment. It only came in this iron color, which matches the aesthetic of the hair dryer itself, and it costs $39.99. Dyson also has a flyaway attachment, a gentle air attachment, and some other attachments that you can also purchase for $39.99 each, and some of them come in different colors like black or purple, in addition to the iron color. So Dyson says that this comb attachment was designed for curly and coily hair. It has robust teeth to help lengthen your hair as it dries or to create volume and shape. I really can't wait to finally try this attachment on my natural hair. It's been a really long time coming, so I'm really excited. Now here, I'm just gonna show you guys how easy it is to attach the comb attachment to the hair dryer. It's magnetic, so it just clicks in, and if you're worried about it staying on while you're blow drying your hair, just wait for my review on this so I can show you if it stays on. I know I can't be the only one who's been traumatized about the universal comb attachments that you have to wrap tape around and then it slides off as it's heating up, as you're blow drying your hair. Am I the only one or what? Let me know down in the comments if you want to keep it all the way real. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Be on the lookout for the review video for this attachment so you can see how well it does on my thick type 4 natural hair. If you found value in this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to see more like it. Can't wait to see you all in the next video. Bye!